Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about accessing array elements. So in the previous class I have discussed about dimensions of array. Okay, dimensions of in Python. Next, accessing elements. So we have seen one dimensional array, two dimensional array, multi-dimensional array and zero dimensional array. So if you want to access the elements of array, every array element contains unique index value. Okay, Python supports, Numpy supports positive index value as well as negative index value. We all know index value starts from 0. Okay, so array indexing is same as accessing an array element. Okay, so here you can access an array element by referring to its index number. Okay, so the index in Numpy arrays starts with 0, meaning that the first element has index 0, the second element has index 1, the third element has index 2 and so on. Okay, so every element contain unique index value. By using index value, we can access each element of array. So let's see first one dimensional array. So accessing 1D arrays. So we all know how to create one dimensional array, right? So get the second element from the following array. So first we need to create array. For that purpose, we need to import numpy. Import numpy as np. Next, array name is equals to np dot array of elements. So here arr is array name is equals to np dot array of 1 2 3 4. Okay, so these elements are stored in a continuous memory locations 1 2 3 4. Array index value starts from 0 1 2 3. Okay, so if you want to access the second element, okay, if you want to access the second element, you need to use the index value and array name. So array name is arr and the index value is 1. So print arr of 1. So two element will be accessed. If you want to print whole array, okay, if you want to access all the elements, then you need to use print. What is the array name? ARR. So all the elements in ARR that will be displayed, that is 1 2 3 4. Okay, if you want to print 4, you can use ARR of index value is 3. ARR of 3. Okay, so in this way you can access one dimensional array by using index value. But numpy supports positive index value as well as negative index value. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 and negative index starts from -1 -2 -3 and -4. Okay, so if you want to access same element, that is 2, you can use ARR of 1 or ARR of -3. Okay, so -3. If you want to print all the elements by using okay, if you want to print 1, you can use print -4. Okay, so if you want to print all the elements, you can use print ARR. Okay, so in this way you can access the elements either by using positive index or by using negative index. The next one is accessing two-dimensional arrays. So two-dimensional array contains two subscripts. One is used to represent row and another one is used to represent column. Yes, so here two-dimensional array contains two one-dimensional. This is one-dimensional, this is one-dimensional. Two-dimensional array contains two one-dimensional. So here two-dimensional array we can use comma separated integers representing the dimensions and the index of the elements. So think two-dimensional array like a table with rows and columns, where rows represents the dimension and the index represents the column. Okay, so let's see here the two-dimensional array consists. So here number of rows are 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Next 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, this is 0 and 1, 1, sorry, this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so if you want to access any particular element, okay, so here it contains 0 row, first row, that means 2 rows. Okay, and next, how many number of columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of columns. So if you want to access any particular element, for suppose I want to access 2. Okay, so then you can use print. So what is the array name? ARR is the array name. Okay, then you need to use, so here 2 present at 0th row and first column, right? 0 comma 1. Okay, so if you want to access first, it is present in first row, second column. So if you want to access 9, first row, third column. If you want to access 1, first row, 0th column. 2 first, 0, first column. 0, second column. 0, third column. 0, fourth column, like this. Okay, so if you want to access 10 element, okay, so 10 element present at first row, fourth column, so that's why 1 comma 4. Okay, so I hope it is clear now. Okay, next one is accessing three-dimensional arrays. Okay, so here to access elements from three-dimensional arrays, we use comma separated integers representing the dimensions and the index elements. Okay, so see this example for accessing three-dimensional arrays. So three-dimensional array is nothing but it contains two-dimensional arrays. Okay, so this is one two-dimensional array, this is also one two-dimensional array, right? Yes, so here number of two dimensionals are 2. So two dimensional is used to represent rows and columns. Okay, suppose assume this is one two-dimensional array. So in two-dimensional array, it contains 2 rows. Okay, and number of columns are 3. Okay, so here see this, number of rows are 3. In number of rows, it contains 3 elements. Number of columns are 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the elements are stored in this way. Okay, so this is 0th matrix, this is first matrix. So here 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. So here also 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so assume this is one two-dimensional, this is one more two-dimensional. Three-dimensional contains two dimensionals. Okay, so if you want to access any particular element, okay, so if you want to access one particular element in three-dimensional, so here if you want to access 1, so ARR of array name is ARR. Next you need to, so here it is 1 is present at 0th matrix, 0 comma 0 row, 0 column, 0 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, so if you want to access 2, it is also present in 0th matrix, 0th row. Okay, but first column, 0th row, first column. So if you want to access 8, okay, so it is present in first matrix. So remember, this is 0th matrix, this is first matrix. If one more matrix is present, that is second. Okay, so this is first matrix, right? So 1 comma 0th row, first column, 1 comma 0 comma 1, like this. So if you want to access 12, so it is present in first matrix, first row, second column, 1 1 2, 1 comma 1 comma 2. So in this way you can access every unique element in an array. So array elements are represented by accessed by using index value. So for one dimensional it contains only one index. Okay, for two dimensional it contains two indexes. So those two indexes are separated by comma. For three dimensional it contains three indexes. So first one is matrix, next one is row, and another one is column. Okay. So suppose if you want to access 6, so 6 is present in 0th matrix, first row, second column. So in this way you can access each element in an array. Okay. So I hope it is clear. So let me explain one more time. So one dimensional array contain 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2. So two dimensional array contains two one dimensional. Okay, so this is one dimensional, right? 1, 2, 3. Next again 1, 2, 3. So two dimensional contains two one dimensionals. So this is 0, 1. This is 0, 1, 2. Next one is three dimensional. Three dimensional contains two two dimensional. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here it is one dimensional, this is two dimensional, and this is three dimensional. So if you observe closely, so two dimensional is nothing but two one dimensionals, three dimensional is nothing but two two dimensionals. Okay, so if you want to access any element in one dimensional, you can represent array name of 0. So in array name of 0, a of 0 contains 1, a of 1 contains 2, a of 2 contains 3, like this. In two dimensional, a of 0, 0, 0, comma 0. So 0, 0 contains 1, 0, 1 contains 2, 0, 2 contains 3. Next 1, 0 contains 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 contains 2, 1, 2 contains 3, like this. Row, column, row, column, row, column, like this. Okay. So again in three dimensional, this is 0th matrix, this is first matrix. Here again 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. So here 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so assume this is one two dimensional, this is one more two dimensional, and here the extra one is number of matrices. So this is 0 matrix and this is first matrix. So if you want to represent it 1, okay, so it is present in, so 1 is present in 0th matrix, 0th row, 0th column. So that's why 0 comma 0 comma 0. So if you want to represent 2, next it is present in first matrix, okay, 0th row, first column. So that's why 1 comma 0 comma 1. So if you want to represent 3, so it is present in first matrix and first row, second column, 1 comma 1 comma 2, like this. So I hope it is clear how to access array elements in one dimensional, two dimensional, and three dimensional. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.